Hi, I'm Steve Pallet, standing as a senator in the forthcoming elections. I'm not going to make any promises because I think it's very difficult for individual members to do that. But what I am going to do is concentrate on some areas where I think I've had some influence in the past three years, and I want to really influence as well in the next 4 as a senator. I've been responsible for sport and leisure over the last 3 years and introduced the Fit for Future strategy. And I think it was a good start in getting healthy lifestyles introduced into Jersey. But we have to do better than that, and I want to introduce a new strategy, an active Jersey strategy, which needs to be a priority for Jersey. It needs to be a wider strategy, which I want to lead on, and it needs to really cover the well-being of all islanders. I want to enhance the physical literacy programme. I think it's really important that we teach our young children core movement skills very early on, teach them good diets and good disciplines, so that we can tackle child obesity at an early stage. If we want to emulate the likes of Serena Guthrie and Matt Banahan, we really need to make sure that we give children a good start in life. I want to see more exercise in our curriculum and the daily mile introduced. In terms of working lives, I think we need to have more opportunity for people to exercise in and out of work. And so in terms of elderly citizens, we need to provide them with good, affordable facilities. And that eventually will reduce the strain on our health service and hopefully keep more of our elderly citizens in their own homes later on in life. In terms of facilities, we have a new facility strategy, and it includes Fort Regent. I want to be the champion for Fort Regent. We know it's in a poor state of repair. The estimates at the moment, it's going to cost £35 million to do right. But we have to do something. I've chaired the Fort Future 50 group, and we need to build on that work. We need to keep up the momentum, which we've already started with the taking away of some of the redundant buildings. We have contingency plans for relocating some of the sports and users at the fort, but currently there is no state's funding, and that has to change. We have to have some state's funding for this project. We're preparing to engage with the private sector. It's a big project, and there's room for the private sector within this project. We've considered future uses, and we've also considered the planning restrictions. And I think we're ready to go. I think we're quite close to an expressions of interest document that might bring forward some really exciting new ideas for the fort. But we need to move forward quickly, and I want to champion the work that I've just spoken about. Please vote for me on May the 16th.